Hey guys, I just want to start off by saying that I'll be in New York this coming weekend, Saturday, March 10th. I'll be attending a grand opening for a boutique, so it's open to you guys to come. It's free. I will list the email in the description box for you guys to RSVP. All the information is on this flyer that you're seeing right now, but yeah, come and meet me. Hey guys, I'm having brunch with my friend. We're at Another Broken Egg and we're eating breakfast. Here's our food. I got a waffle and a slab of ham and potatoes, and she got a omelet and one piece of pig and some muffins and a peach bellini, and I have this strawberry lemonade sparkler. Say hi, friend. Show them toes. We're getting pedicures. Ooh, let me not. We're getting pedicures. So I'm choosing between three colors. This one is Freedom of Peach. And then I have, this one is new. I think I'm gonna get this one. That's cute, huh? Pedicure. Yes. Hey guys, so I'm in the car. I look so old. Oh my god. Gotta use a Chipotle napkin. I put some powder on my face, and every time I use this powder, it makes my skin very dewy. The highlight is popping. We're going to somewhere. Don't you look cute? Oh, well, thank you. You look gorgeous as well. Oh, thank you. So we're going to this painting Spanx class. Yeah. See you when we get there. Hey guys, so I'm at this Spanx event, and it's a painting and wine drinking class. It's almost like paint and sip, but instead I think we're gonna paint somebody. I don't know what we're gonna paint. I hope we're not gonna paint that, because that looks very hard to do. It's me and my friend from brunch. Don't we clean up well?
I know, I look at a messy pedicure.
So cute. I'll put her last link in the info box for you guys to shop her mink eyelashes. So cute. Yeah.
Bra collection. I want to tell you guys a little bit about how that came to be, and it really started because we were thinking at Spanx, bras have always been two things. They've been boring or sexy, and we thought, you know what? Why isn't there another option? We want another option to boring and sexy. And so we started dreaming up, what if we put art on a bra? And what if we use that as an opportunity to highlight a female artist? So we're always all about empowering women and empowering female entrepreneurs. And we believe that entrepreneurship and charting your own course is across so many different things. It's not just business. It's artists, it's chefs, it's people in all different fields, and especially wanting to support women. So tonight is about honoring Kim Schuessler, and she is our very first artist that we decided to put on this bra.
So I am back for more package opening. This vlog is actually pretty short this week because I didn't really vlog that much, but it's okay because I got y'all next week. I'm gonna vlog a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna close out this vlog with some packages because I feel like I have enough to show. So let's start. This first package is from Maybelline, and I find it easier for me to already open all of the packages, just so that I'm not sitting here, you know, box cutting it up. So this is from Maybelline. It says Get Glowing. Sounds like a highlighter to me. Oh yes. So there's two new Master Chromes. There's a holographic Master Chrome highlighter. So it just looks like this, holographic, and then there's a metallic highlighter like this. And then there's some liners that look metallic. Yep, some metallic liners. So super duper. Oh look, that is so cute. Yes, I'm here for it, Maybelline. Shine bright like a diamond. So that's the first thing. Next, I have a little package here from Urban Decay, and this one is Disco Queen. So it just looks like this, and then it comes up like that. How cute. So this is a holographic disco stick, and then there's a holographic highlighter powder. So holographic highlighters must be the thing right now. So this one is purple. Really, really cute. Oh my god, guys, look. I broke the tip of my nail. Like, I know what you're saying. Lakia, your nail's already short. How do you break the tip off? Guys, here's the holographic little stick thing. Really cute. This would be really cute on the eyes. Okay. Urban Decay. But anyways, I was actually cooking something on the stove, and I took the pan out and I was holding down the aluminum foil with my nail so I can get the chicken nuggets off of the aluminum foil because it kind of got stuck, and then my nail just started like melting. Well, the SNS just started melting and my nail bent, so I just had to break it off. So see what I'm saying? Like, really stupid things are the reason why I break my nails. I just don't understand. This is from MAC. So let's take out the thing so I can get it right. Get it right, get it right. This is the MAC Jeremy Scott. This is really cute. Okay, this is the MAC Jeremy Scott, and they only sent 2 things. A lot of the times with the collections, I don't get everything. They'll send like a couple of things. So, oh wow, it's like a disc. It's a iridescent powder, highlighter, bronzing powder. Wow, this is so cute. It's like a disc. So you open it. Oh, it's a little powdery, but this is what it looks like. There's an iridescent powder, which I'm assuming is this, then a bronzing powder, and then a powder blush. It has a really nice mirror. So this is really cute, and it's like heavy. It's like good weight to this. So next is like a little cassette, and this is a lip set, Bumpin' Jams. Oh my god, this is cute. This is really, really cute, and I can totally get down with almost all of these shades in here. This one may be a little too, these two may be a little too light, but I could totally work with these other shades. This is cute. Okay, this is cute. I could get with it. So that's from MAC. Okay, so next, Revlon. So this Revlon Color Charge. Let's open it and see. Okay. Oh, this box is really cute. So it says mix, match, blend, live boldly. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so there's a few things in here from their color charge line. So there's a liquid illuminator. There's it's a little powder, a loose powder. It looks kind of iridescent too. There's a little loose powder. There's a lipsticks, Violet Rush, a matte purple lipstick. There's a lip powder. Lip powder? Lip powder. And then there's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh. These are some pretty colors. So there's a eyeshadow palette. And that's it. Back up. Elf. So let's see what we got here. So this is the Elf and Kristen Sereno. Okay, so there's the Elf lip exfoliator. There's two Elf and Kristen Sereno collab. One is a tinted lip oil and then one is a matte lipstick. There's a lip color remover. That's pretty interesting. And then there's a liquid lip primer. And then that's all from Elf. It's a package from Pixi. Oh, how cute. There's like a little lock on the box. Oh. And I really have to unlock it to open it. Okay, that's a cute lock. So now that, oh, I have to turn it. Okay, packaging. Oh, okay, so it's like a little book. Open to reveal the key to glowing skin. Ooh, there's a rose caviar essence. This is for all skin types to hydrate, brighten, nourish, and soften. Ooh, this is pretty. Encapsulated moisture serum. So that's what this looks like. This is really pretty. Okay, and then there's a rose flash balm. It's a 3-in-1. It's a moisturize, prime, or use as a hydrating mask. I can't get this one out. I ain't trying to break a nail again. I don't want to do that. Okay, got it. No nail was broken. So that's what this one looks like. Instant skin booster. Okay, close that and open this side up, and there's matte glass liquid lip. Ooh, these are all really pretty. Infused with rose hip seed oil. So these are all liquid lipsticks. Matte beige is looking real cute. Let's see. Oh, look at the applicator. I should put this on. I can't even see. I'm just looking in the viewfinder. I can't see. I don't have a mirror. That's matte beige. Really rose. Evening rose. Pastel petal. This looks just like this one. Okay, maybe this one is a little more rosy, but these look very similar. These are cool. And then there's all natural. Let's see. Y'all, these packages don't want you to be great. They want you to break a nail. I can't get that one out. You know what? Can't break a nail. So yeah, those are really cute. It's drying down, so that's cool. Let's lock it back, y'all. Let's lock it back. That is just too cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. Really, really cute packaging. And then, oh, I think this is my last one. Yeah, this is my last package. I opened it already, so I won't be struggling. And this is from Buxom. And this is their new Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick. There's 20 shades. And there's a bunch in here. These are a bunch. Vava Plump. Wait, there's more. There's lots of Vava Plumps. Vava Plump. That's it. So, this looks like a lot. There might be 20. Ooh. Judging by the packaging on this one, it looks brown. I'm automatically attracted to like nudes and browns and like brown nudes. Ooh. This is getting warmer, but this is a shiny liquid lipstick. I don't think I've ever had a shiny liquid lipstick. Ooh. Should I put this on top? Ooh, this feels really good. I can't see. It's very cooling though. This is interesting to try. I'm gonna have to try it on its own because a shiny liquid lip. Let's see. Lips get all the action with vivid pout plumping color with the innovative lip hugging paddle to precisely deliver one stroke color for a fully saturated satin shine pout. Tempts and tingles with kissable, comfortable, lasting wear. Shiny liquid lipstick. That's interesting. There's so many colors, guys. There's a really, really vibrant red. Make it hot. Like red. This looks burgundy, though. Okay. It's lots of colors here. So, yeah, that's it. That's all the packaging that I got for now. I don't think I left anything out. I think I got everything. Yeah. That's it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short but cool video vlog, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.